Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn what is block scope in JavaScript. And before understanding that, we must know what is block. So block is simply a pair of curly braces that groups code together. For example, let's write a curly braces and then write some codes in it. There are 3 lines of code here in this block. So this is an example of block. Block is just a group of code that is enclosed by curly braces. That's block. Okay, first thing we have understood. Second thing is let and const are block scoped. What does that mean? For example, this is a block and we have suppose let a variable named age is 30 and let's console log this here. So let's run this and we get 30 here, right? But instead of doing console log here, if I do console log outside of that block, then what happens? Then it shows us error, right? So that means if we assign the variable inside a block using let, then we cannot use that variable outside of that block. We can use that variable only inside the block. The same thing is with const. For example, const and then age is 30. And again, if we try to console log outside, then it won't run. It will give us error. But if we do that console log inside, if we use that inside, then it will give us what? It will give us the age that is 30. So this is the meaning of block scope in JavaScript. So let and const are block scoped.